In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have a section template in Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or a newcomer to organizational tools, having section templates can streamline your workflow, making it more efficient and productive. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you're not logged in, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana and don't have an account yet, look for either Get Started or Try for Free and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll have full access to your project dashboard, which is where the magic begins. Next, decide whether you want to create a new project or use one you already have. For our demonstration, either option works. If you've already got a project that's perfectly configured and you'd like to turn that into a section template, that's great. Alternatively, you can start a fresh project from scratch, which might be ideal if you're looking to build a comprehensive section template with specific needs in mind. Now, navigate to the project where you want to create your section template. This is an important step, as the project you select will serve as the base of your template. Whether it's a brand new project or an existing one, this project will be where you lay out all the sections and tasks that you want to replicate in the future. In your selected project, it's time to add sections and tasks. Think of sections as categories or stages that suit your workflow. Common examples might be to do, in progress, and completed. Don't just stop at naming these sections. Under each one, populate it with tasks that are relevant and recurring for the type of projects you handle. This step is crucial, as the tasks you add here will become part of your template, ready to deploy whenever you need them in future projects. Once you've meticulously organized your sections and filled them with the necessary tasks, it's time to save your hard work as a template. Locate the project actions drop-down arrow next to your project name. Click on it. Here you'll find the option to save your layout as a template. Be sure to choose a descriptive name for your template, something memorable and indicative of its purpose. This naming will make it easier to retrieve whenever you need to use it in the future. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create section templates in Asana. With these templates at your disposal, you can enhance efficiency, ensuring consistency across all your projects with ease. Whether you're onboarding new team members or handling multiple projects, these predefined templates can make your workflow a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.